Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to withdraw your Upwork funds to local bank accounts at a black market rate. Alright, I once had this issue of trying to move my funds from Upwork to my local bank account at a reasonable rate. But before now, I used to get paid $3.90 per dollar on Upwork. Let's do some calculation. Let's say I'm withdrawing $100, $3.90 times 100, that's 39k. But with this new method I'm going to show you, you can get paid up to $5.50 per dollar. Now you can see the difference. So I want to show you how to withdraw your Upwork funds to your local bank account at a black market rate. This does not apply to Upwork alone. You can as well withdraw from Payoneer at black market rate, assuming you receive funds from other sources like Fiverr, or you're an affiliate marketer that receive funds from other means. Things you need, you only need two things: Aboki Africa and a Payoneer account. Now, if you already have a Payoneer account, that's awesome. So what I'm going to do now is to talk about what is Aboki Africa. Now, Aboki Africa is just like Payoneer. It's a visual account. It's a company that helps create a visual account for you, an euro and a dollar account for you while you are in Nigeria. Here's their website. As you can see, foreign bank account for Africans. Open a virtual bank account for people to receive payments, to receive and make foreign payment and or convert currency all in one place. So like I say, you need two things: a Payoneer account and an Aboki Africa account. Click the link in the description. It will take you to this website so you can create your account. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. But bear in mind that when you are opening your account, they will require you to do some verifications, right? So after when you are done with the verification, you will come to virtual accounts and request for virtual account. As you can see, these are my virtual account. This is my euro virtual account. This is my dollar virtual account. Currently I haven't requested for Great Britain pounds account because I don't have any use for that one as for now. So when you are done creating your account, they will require you to do some verification, and when you are done with the verification, you can come here, virtual account, and request for your virtual account. Simple as that. Now, in case you are asking, must it be on Upwork alone? Is it only Upwork that you can be able to withdraw your funds? The answer is no. Anyone can make use of this method in case you do business with foreign clients. In fact, in situations like this, you don't even need a Payoneer account. Assuming you work for foreign client, they can pay you directly to your US bank account, even you without needing a Payoneer account. And when they pay into your US or Euro virtual account, then you can convert your funds to Naira and withdraw to your bank. This process takes not even up to an hour. It's a simple process. So I'm going to do a live withdrawal now so you can see how the whole stuff works. It's very simple, but I'm going to be withdrawing from Upwork. So currently this is what I have in my balance. As you can see here, this is my balance. So I'm going to withdraw it now. I'm going to see it live. I'm going to withdraw to my Payoneer account. I don't know if I should withdraw for. Okay, that's $262. Okay. Okay, I'm done with the withdrawal now. As you can see, my balance has changed. So I'm going to log into my Payoneer account now. Okay, my balance is yet to appear here. So I'm going to continue when my balance has changed in my Payoneer account, because it's an instant, though it takes about 10 minutes for it to reflect, my balance to reflect. Okay, as you can see now, my balance has reflected here. I don't know if you remember how much I withdraw from Upwork. Like I said, this is a live withdrawal. So they have sent the money from Upwork to my Payoneer account, and now I'm going to move the money to my Aboki Africa account. When I move the funds to Aboki Africa account, I will now convert the money to Naira. Let me show you something. Here's what I was trying to tell you. Let's say I want to convert $200. Let's assume it's $200. That's about 118k. But even do you know that even Payoneer said they don't even pay you up to the normal black market rate? Payoneer pays, I think, $410 or $420. I can't remember, because Payoneer they don't even pay the normal black market rate. So that means both Upwork and Payoneer, they are cheating us. That means that in case you are still using Upwork direct to bank payment method, that means you are throwing a lot of money away. That's what I was doing. So now I'm going to send the money to my Payoneer account. Please, in case you don't know how to, in case you don't have a Payoneer account, click the link in the description. It will take you to where you are going to create your Payoneer account. It's pretty simple. Just follow the instruction there and you will be done in the next 10 minutes. After that, you create your Aboki.Africa account. Aboki.Africa account doesn't take up to 10 minutes, 5 minutes you are done. You submit your ID card, submit your identification details. The national ID card is welcome, the driving license is welcome, voting card is welcome. So basically those are the things you need for Aboki.Africa account. And even your Payoneer, you are going to need your driving license or a voter's card. Anyone is welcome, right? So right now I will send the funds to my Aboki.Africa account. Okay, now click on withdraw. Now I'm not going through. Now, in case you want to withdraw from Payoneer, you're going to go directly to your Nigeria bank account. But with this strategy, I'm going to withdraw to my US virtual account, not my Nigeria local bank account. It's from my virtual account that Aboki.Africa provided me that I will withdraw to my own bank account. Because if I withdraw with my local bank payment method, Payoneer is going to give me 420, I think 402 naira per dollar. It's not even up to the black market rate. So right now I will withdraw it to my Aboki.Africa account. Okay, they are sending a code to my number to confirm my withdrawal. Okay. So I think this is the code they send me. I've inputted the code and I'll submit apps. Okay, they're still going to send another code. Your funds are on the way. So it's pretty simple as that. Like I told you, it's easy, very simple. You need a Payoneer account just in case you are withdrawing from Upwork. It's just that I already have my bank account. Let me see. I want to show you how you can set up your virtual account. You can connect your virtual account with Payoneer. So the process is simple. Okay, when you get your foreign virtual account, if it's either a dollar account or a virtual account, I want to add it to Payoneer, you come to settings and you come to bank accounts. When you come to bank accounts, you click here. After that, you come to add a bank account. And now here's what we are going to do. You come to Aboki.Africa, you come to virtual accounts, you copy. Basically, we are going to be inputting the details here. We are going to be getting the details here to Payoneer. You click, you search for USA, United States of America, where the bank is. That is where the bank is located. As you can see, it's in United Kingdom. This is Euro account I want to input. The account is in United Kingdom. So we'll come back here, change it to United Kingdom. Input Euro, you click next. The third thing, you come here, you copy the bank name. The bank name is Clear Junction. Copy it, come to Payoneer, you search for Clear Junction. It seems the bank can't be found in what a Payoneer has already pre-provided. So we are just going to input the bank name. In most cases, if it's a US dollar account, you are going to see the bank appear immediately at typing it. But this one is a euro. You come here, you search for the bank name. If it's a dollar account, immediately at typing the bank's name, Payoneer will provide the bank name that you can select for. But in case the bank name is not provided by Payoneer, you can still go ahead and type in. This is my Euro Visual account. You copy the bank name. The bank name is Clear Junction. You copy it. You come to Payoneer. You paste it there. Account holder name. You come to Aboki. You copy your name. As you can see, my own name here is Sultan Bartholomew. You come here, paste it. BIC. I think the BIC is in place of IBAN. Yeah, something like that. The BIC is also known as a Swift code. You come here, you copy this Swift code, you copy it, you come to Payoneer, you paste it, and you come and get the IBAN. Here's your IBAN, you copy it, come here and you paste it. You can see it's simple. You click confirm the bank account details of both. You click next. Now they will require you to confirm your date of birth. Your date of birth here is serve as a security method to checkmate if you are really the one approving this bank account. So I'm going to put my date of birth. That is it. You input your date of birth and you click add bank. Sorry. You click add bank and that is it. The bank account will be added. It says your account approval usually takes up to 30 minutes. Well, it doesn't even take up to that. You will receive an email notification in the next, let's say 10 minutes. To approve it in 10 minutes or less. So that is it. How to link your virtual euro account or a dollar account with your Payoneer, so you can withdraw your funds directly to Aboki.Africa. When you withdraw your funds to Aboki.Africa, you need to swap the funds to Naira, then you withdraw to your bank account. As you can see balances. I don't want to show you how to do that. It shows here swap funds. Currently I don't have any balance here. If not, I will have shown you live on how to swap funds. The money I sent to my Aboki.Africa hasn't yet appeared. Let me refresh and see. It has not yet appeared, so it will take a couple of let's say a day. As you can see, here are some of my recent payments. So I think that is it. If you have any question, then you can leave them in the comment section. I'll respond to all of them. If you have any question, if you encounter any issue, you can just leave them all in the comment section. And before I end this video, if you are looking for more ways to earn on how to get more gigs, on how to get more clients on Upwork, I have a course for you. All you need to do is to indicate in the comment section